Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Motola and this is Motola OLOWOSIBI. I know you are wondering what this is actually. Yeah, this is a beautiful recipe. You're gonna be enjoying it. You can enjoy it with family and friends. It is Plantain Burger. Wow, this is so dope. So let's learn how to make this plantain burger. These are all our ingredients. We have 1 plantain, 200 grams minced meat, fresh lettuce, 1 carrot, 2 fresh tomatoes, and eggs, spring onions, garlic, and some other things. You watch the ingredients as I use them. So this is our plantain, a very big one. You cut into 4, just like so. Then you rip it off the skin. Set that aside. Then go to, these are all our ingredients kept and all chopped and looking nice already. Yeah, so now you add your 200 grams of minced meat, you add your chopped garlic, spring onions, and carrots. You add half teaspoon of salt, curry, and thyme. Then you add your mixed spice, you add your chili pepper and more mixed spice. You add your Maggi cube according to your taste. Then you begin to mix all together to combine. Now our egg will be coming in. Break an egg, whisk like so, and add to the mixture. Make sure it is well formed. If your mixture is too light, that can't form the dough, you can add 1 tablespoon of flour to get it thickened. Now we'll be making our beef patty or burger. Just use your non-stick frying pan, or you can add some little oil into your pan while doing this. Make sure you fry both sides for 2 minutes each and continue to fry till you think it is done. Remember, our meat patty is having some veggies in it. It has garlic, carrots, and some spring onions, so you have to allow it to cook and continue to change in between after 2 minutes each. Also do it this way to avoid the burning of the frying pan or a non-sticky pan. So you continue to turn until you are sure that it is well fried. Continue same process with other burgers to achieve 4 burgers that we'll be using for this recipe. Ready. You can see that the color has really changed. Now it's time to get our plantain prepared. So you fry your 4 chopped plantain like so, and Then you also turn to the other side. You make sure you fry them slightly. Getting your plantain fried like this, you get a baking sheet, put it in between and press it with a flat dish. You do so to others, and if you have a tool that is used to mash, you can also use that to press it in between your baking paper, just like this. Then you fry both sides. Fry each side for 1 minute. Then our plantain will be ready for the burger. Now all our ingredients is ready. It's time to assemble. You add 1 plantain patches, you add 1 burger, you add lettuce as much as you want it according to your taste. Then you add tomatoes too according to your taste. You can also add ketchup to it or mayonnaise. You add another meat patty, then you add your plantain, then you put a toothpick to stabilize it. Same I'm doing to the other one. You add tomatoes, then you add your meat patches, then you add your plantain to it. I believe you're gonna be trying this recipe at home. If you do, don't forget to come back to drop a comment down there at the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, which I know you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to drop a comment down there at the comment section, and don't forget to share to someone out there. Thank you for always coming back to this channel. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye for now. Ciao ciao.